Hey fans, welcome to my channel. I just got up, y'all. I got up this morning and had a cup of tea, and I thought of the things I had to do today, and I'm like, yeah, let's go back to sleep. Anyways, look at this big mess behind me. So, let me start with my chicken. I am doing barbecue chicken today, one of my favorite. It's 10:58 at the moment, and I'm about to do, it's a small kitchen, it's a small area. I don't have a lot of space to work with, so I just gotta make do with what I have. Currently my chicken is soaking in vinegar water. I just put it there, so I'm giving it about a minute or two, and then I empty that out. I do have some baking to do. This is cornstarch, that's Walmart brand, and brown sugar. I have a lot of baking to do today. I did promise my boys to do baking this whole week. They were not interested because their cousin came over, so they were busy with him upstairs doing other stuff, playing games. And I got a turkey. I don't know what brand this is, but it's a turkey. Sous chef? It's French. And it's, am I showing you upside down? It's a young turkey. So let's turn it around. Let me see if I can see. No, because it's in the way. So, anyways, it's a turkey. And I've never done turkey. I'm not a big fan of turkey. Period. I don't like turkey. I had turkey once and liked it. The only way I enjoyed turkey was when my grandmother passed away a little bit over 10 years, less than 10 years ago. Yeah. That was the only time I enjoyed turkey because she did it a specific way. I don't know how to do it the way she did it, but we're going to try something today. So, I'm going to open this bad boy up, and I'm going to get it all cleaned up. Of course, I have to vinegar water it and stuff. And then I got to clean it up, season it up, and get it cooking. But I'll be back. Bye. Hey y'all, I am back, and I am making progress. My chicken is already in the oven and well on its way. Now, I saw this on Bellama's video, and I hope it works because she didn't say if it works. Apparently, I saw her put butter underneath the skin of the turkey. That's my turkey. I'm gonna try it because I'm all for not having a dry turkey. So I'm gonna put the butter underneath the skin and see if that works. I'll be back when I'm all done and show you how I prep my stuffing. So apart from that, these are the seasoning that I'm going to use. Maggi seasonal, of course, Jamaican seasoning. Also for Maggi, flavor the pot. It says chicken, but hey, it worked, of course. And then a little bit of black pepper. This is Mr. Goodis black pepper. And salt. And I got my onion chopped up over here. And I got some tomatoes on there, which I'm going to incorporate with the onion. Let's see how this works. So I've had it all seasoned up, and I'm just caressing the chicken. I must say, it is indeed a messy process. So I would suggest wearing a glove when you're doing it, if you don't mind. But I don't think there's any other way. Now I understand why Bellama had gloves on, and I'm like, I guess the messy part for me was to put the butter underneath the skin. it was a process indeed, and you can tell I got seasoning everywhere. And this is a one-legged turkey, so I remember my cousin had a joke about a one-legged chicken, and he kept laughing over this one-legged chicken. So this is a one-legged turkey, so he's not balancing up for me, which is fine. Not technically not fine, but it just gotta be. So I don't have a choice right now. Anyways, I'm just putting in all my seasoning. Do the same thing I did for the other side. Like I said, I've never done this before, but there's always a first time for everything, right? And I do make sure there's seasoning inside the turkey. I feel sad for this turkey. Now I feel sad for him. But we gotta eat you. Oh. Okay. And before I do that, a little bit of browning. Just to get it marinated. And I'm just gonna leave it for a little bit. One, I'm hungry. And it's time to go finish my dinner for the day. And two, I like to season meat way ahead of time and allow it to soak through. I had originally planned to season it from yesterday, but it didn't work out that way. I had other things outside to do, so that I had to get done. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of onion on it, in and out, and then leave it to soak through. How about that? And then there is my turkey. Part of it looks a little bit white, but I'm gonna soak this bad boy. Yes, baby. And then I'm gonna leave it to soak up the seasoning and leave it to marinate. And then later tonight, before I go to bed, or later in the evening, actually, I'll come back, I'll prepare my stuffing, then I'll do another video for that one as well, and then we'll cook it. And I always taste my seasoning. It's a little bit fresh, but we'll fix it up later. Bye. Hey fans, so I have my turkey all seasoned up and marinated. It's been sitting here for quite a bit, a couple hours. So I'm just gonna finish it now. I am preparing my stuffing. Did so far is put a little bit of Maggi seasoning, and of course I'm not gonna go crazy here at all, but I just need the inside of the chicken to be seasoned. A little bit of Flavor the Pot. Oh, that's all done. Okay, let's just use what's left. Out. And then a little bit of black pepper right here. A little bit of black pepper. Like I said, I'm not gonna go crazy. I want onion and tomato inside, so I'm going to put it all in here. I'm going to mix it out. Since I already have the oven on, I'm just going to put this turkey in. And I'm not going to mix it with my hand. No, I'm not. I am getting a spoon. And I'm mixing it up. Ah! I should have used a bigger container. Mix it up. You may ask, ask why have I chosen potato and carrot, these are my all-time favorite two things to cook with. Potato, things that I know that my kids will actually eat. And it gives my meat a certain flavor. Anytime I'm doing stewed chicken, I'm either cooking it with potato or with carrot. So I do love using both. So maybe that's why. Like, when I heard I could use potato, yep, darling. I use my potato and my chicken is all done. My chicken is all done before my phone drops tonight, because that will be something else. Isn't that nice? I'm sure inside my oven up. Oh, barbecue chicken. Not what I planned on doing, but that's what ended up coming out. So, hey, this is what the kitchen is all about. So I'm pulling out my turkey. I really don't know. Like I said, I've never done this before, so don't judge me, y'all. I'm not a professional on this. If I'm doing something wrong, just let me know. I don't think there's a specific way to stuff a turkey, but I'm gonna stuff it. Yep, tumbling things. Just putting the pot somewhere else. And let's stuff the turkey. Is it easier to hold him up? Yay! Found a better angle. And if all of these don't hold inside the turkey, I'm just gonna put it in the pot, because what else will I do? I never thought I would ever be cooking turkey. I love it so far. So let's stuff the other end. And of course I will be calling to get some more guidance. Boy, I'm heavy. Let's stuff the other end. Am I fighting with my turkey? I am. I feel like I'm fighting with it. Okay. So, there we are. So my turkey looks messy, but here we are. And I'm gonna leave it for a little bit because the pot, I have 2 roasting pans, but my favorite roasting pan is in the oven right now. So I'm gonna wait for that, and then I'm gonna stuff my turkey in the oven. I was gonna wait until later tonight, but I do have some baking to do, and I don't know how long this turkey is going to take. So I really don't want to bet on that and say, yeah, it's not gonna take long, but we'll see. Anyways, I'll be back with my end result. Bye. So I know it's very late now, but my turkey looks like it's all done. You can tell I was struggling with tying it up, but it looks good. DJ kept saying, can I taste the turkey? Is the turkey done? Can I taste it? So we are going to test the turkey and see how well it tastes. Let's see. What piece do I cut for him? And I just happened to cut my finger. Merry Christmas to me. So I cut a little bit for DJ. Are you coming or no? And he is about to try the turkey. What's my turkey missing? Smells so good. Ready? Okay. Take small pieces. Oh, what do you think?
Thank you.
Is it good? No, I said, what do you think?
Good.
It's good? Oh,
There's something outside.
oh my goodness. Oh, this is good. Ha ha! Nailed it!
Can you
Oh,
smell it?
oh heaven. Mm-mm-mm.
Can I taste? Can I taste?
What do you think? Come here.
Let's
You
try
give-
catch Santa Claus
He
tonight.
gave me a thumbs up and he ran away.
Stop making stuff.